So, reviewing today, homework and chapter 3-4 test, homework due, beginning of class. As soon as we get that collected, we can start the test on Thursday. Next Tuesday is the final. Final starts at 10 a.m. You're not turning anything in, so we are going to start as soon as we sit down, we get it all going. I'll go over a few things. Scantron out, pencil out. You use Scantron 882-E. This one right here. Number 2 pencil. Make sure you have your calculator. I will provide the scratch paper. 10 a.m. to 11:50. That's it. Then you're done. If you're in the co-rec, the last time we meet is this Thursday. We will not meet during finals week. During finals week, my co-recs are just going to be extended office hours. So Monday and Tuesday next week, office hour from 7:30 to 9:30. At 9:30, I got to get the classroom ready for the final. Okay. I still have an office hour on Tuesday at 12 to 12:50. That doesn't mean, hey, I can still work on my final, right? No, final's over at 11:50. On Wednesday, I'll be here 7:30 to 8:20. Okay. Any question? You need to have the Scantron. It needs to be that Scantron. Okay. Bookstore has them. I don't know if the vending machine over here in the lounge down the walkway, if they still have it. Over here, the chapter 3-4 review versus the test. Good. Yeah. So this is a mock-up of what your test looks like. So many buttons I'm putting here. Like I'm at home with my wife. Okay. We do problem 8 points apiece, 176 points. Raw score. Read all directions, all that's true. Only use decimal answers when the directions say so. So only when they say so, make sure you round accordingly. Correct answers are not enough. You got to show the work. Work has to support your answer. Pencil, all that other stuff. So you can see the way the test is set up is not like the review sheet. Okay, it's set up like your normal test. And I'll get to that stuff down there at the bottom in a second. So let's do a little comparison. We're just going to focus on this over here. All the review sheets. Long division, numbers 1 through 3. You have 2 on the test. 2 long division on the test. And then synthetic division, number 4 and 5. You have 2 of those on the test. Okay. Now, on the test, you're going to have 1 nice one for both of these, for long division and synthetic. You're going to have 1 nice, so it's all just ready to set up and go. It's not going to be written in the long division form or the synthetic form. It's going to be either written as a fraction or like on the review sheet, parentheses and then divide. you got to put it in the correct long division form, or you also got to do the synthetic setup on your own. One nice one, and then one where you have to fix it. You got to fix it first before you can actually do it. So it's one of these two things. It's going to be either rearrange it because the terms are out of order, or it's missing a power. It's missing an exponent. So you got to put it in a placeholder. Not both. One of those two things. Either or. Okay. Bonus question. You're going to have one long division bonus and one synthetic bonus, which will have both things you have to fix. Rearrange it and a missing power placeholder. Okay. Then numbers 6 through 10. You're going to have two of those. So decimal places. That's just like the quiz. Punch it into your calculator correctly. Round to the on the test. 4 decimal places. Follow direction. So that means you have to see the 5th decimal place to figure out what's going to go in the 4th place. That's where you lose points. Number one, not putting it in correctly. And it's not going to be written as a function. It's going to look just like the review sheet. So all you got to do is make sure you put it in your calculator correctly, which means don't forget a calculator. I don't have calculators to lend. And if I do lend you a calculator, it's going to be, oh, do you have any other? I don't know how to use this one. My shoulders are running higher. I can't roll my eyes back any further. Because I'm telling you right now, I'm a calculator. No, you can't use your phone. No, you can't share. So calculator. Know how to use it before you get here. All right. 6 through 10, you got 2 of those. And then here's where it gets a little messy. Numbers 11 through 15. And numbers 26 through 30. And 45 through 50. Wait, what? My bad. Out of order. You're out. Oh. 11 through 15, 19 through 22. Then it goes 26 through 30. Then it goes 45 through 50. In that kind of a problem, you're going to have 5 total. Okay. Out of that kind of a question. Now, specifically speaking, there are 3 ugly problems that would be too mean to give you out of that set. So I don't want you to stress as it being an actual test question, but it could be a bonus. Out of this set, numbers 11, 14, and 15 would be in the bonus category. Not a test question, but a bonus type. Okay. And then 23 through 55. We're going to have 2 of those. So you're converting it from exponent into log form. And then 16 through 18. You're taking log form and you're going to convert it into exponent form. You got two of those. Right here, write the equivalent expression as an exponent, write the problem in logarithm form. 18, no, 31, 32. You have one of those. And 33, 34, you have one of those. Those are the rules of logarithms, the sum, difference, and power rule for logarithms. And they're going to be written as multiple choice, just like they're usually. So you don't have to take it apart by hand, but you need to know the rules so you can pick the right multiple choice. And 17 and 18 right there, one of each. 35 through 40. Three of those. And 41 to 44, two. So 2, 4, 6, 11, 13, 15, 16, 17, 20, 22 problems. With so there you go. Bottom down. Like I need another. Camera operator. Look at this first one. If omega x equals something and gamma x equals something else and psi x equals blank, then what is blank circle blank of x? What is gamma circle psi of x? What is omega circle psi of x? What is gamma circle omega of x? Composite function. And no, I won't give you Greek. It is what is, F, G, and H. But this is good review for the final. It's going to be on the file, it's going to be here. So, 2 bonus questions based on composite functions. And then bonus question, complete the square of quadratic formula. Pick one, show the work. Solve it. Use any algebraic method you want, make sure you show the work. Okay, solve the equation. So who knows what kind of equation that's going to be? We can solve the equations all here. Long division. Got to rearrange it. You will have a rearrange and a placeholder needed. Synthetic division, rearrange it, synthetic division. A rearrange it, placeholder. So that is 8 bonus questions, 5 points apiece. That's 40. 40 plus 176 is 216 out of 176 would be the next. Okay. Any questions about what you're going to have to expect? Now look at that. Nobody's checking. What the heck happened? What did I do with that? I didn't say fade to black.